Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wangui here, and if you're new to my channel, I create content around cooking, cleaning and organization. So guys, this is the new house. I am at the new house and I want to show you the new house empty house tour. Yeah, I want to show you around. I want to show you how the house looks like. Yeah, before I leave, I quite like it. Yeah, it works for me right now. So yeah, so let me turn the camera to the other side and start showing you how the house looks like. So I'll start from the outside. This is the main door and this is how the outside of the house looks like. It has a small shelf there that I can use for plants or shoes. Yeah, so let's get in. So I'm now standing at the front door. This is where the door is. I've just come inside and I want to show you this wall here. So this is one of the walls. It has a large window. As you can see, it's so big, which I like because I need natural light for filming. Yeah, and I obviously love a lot of light in the house. So that is how that wall looks like. Let me move back for you to see the entire wall. So that's the door and that's the wall there. Then I'll come back to this wall and show you the other wall just next to the door. There is the main door. So the door comes fitted with the curtain rods as well as this window, and next to it is another big window. Pray for me because the number of curtains I need for these windows only God knows. So that's the other big window there, super big. Then I'll come back to this side and show you the other wall. There it is. That is probably going to be my TV wall where I'll place the TV stand, and the wall, it comes with a double socket and an aerial plug, whatever socket, I don't know the name, and it has a small fitting there for light in case I want to add a light there. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Then I'm going to show you the last wall now. Ta-da! That's the kitchen. It's right off the living room. It's super small, but I think I will make it work, and yeah, it looks like it's enough for me. I just need enough space for the fridge and the cooker, and that's it. So yeah, so that's the kitchen. So coming inside the kitchen is two cabinets, two bottom cabinets. They are not subdivided inside, but that's not an issue because the ones on the top are subdivided. So yeah, those I can use to keep like my sufurias, buckets, whatever, anything that I need to fit in there. Comes with a small shallow sink, which I don't appreciate, but I have to work with, and a nice tap there, a nice chrome tap. The work area is missing in action, but I'll figure that out as I go. That should work for now. I'll use my coffee table as meal prep counter surface. Then the kitchen has two holders, two towel holders, one on this side and another one on that side, which will come in handy to organize my towels. In a small window, well, not really small because it's quite huge, has a double curtain rod, which will come in handy to hang another curtain there. So moving on to the cabinets, there they are. So here are the cabinets. That's how they look like. There are 6 in total, well, 3 inside. They are divided by 2. Let me show you. So that's how the inside looks like. It has 3 shelves, which will come in handy to organize my food and my utensils, although they are quite high, but I'll manage, and they have an extra storage space here, which I can use to organize maybe cleaning supplies, I don't know. This other side as well, I have this one. This one is not subdivided, but it will work for any tall items I have, like thermoses, such things. Then the one on this side is subdivided into 3. Yeah, it's divided into 3 sections where I can organize my utensils. Then there is the cooker socket, an extra socket, the cooker socket attachment thing, and another double socket. I appreciate that so much because I have quite a number of appliances, so that will come in handy. So again, that is my little tiny kitchen, little tiny kitchen. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the kitchen has a really nice light. Let me just put it on for you to see how bright it is. There is the light. It is super bright. I love it. I love it, and it's perfect for shooting. As you can see, like, the videos are very clear. I love it so much. So next, I'm going to take you to the corridor, which is right off the kitchen. From the kitchen, you move to this side, and here is a long corridor. Well, not really long, but it functions. So hallway, I would call it. And turning to my left is the bathroom. So starting us off is a sink, a standing stall sink. I think that's the name. Yeah, I like it. It's nice and it's not stained, so I love that about it. Yeah, so that's the sink. Comes with a nice chrome tap, and it comes with another holder. The area here, the wash area, comes with a towel holder, which I can use to hang our hand towels, and a big fat mirror, which I appreciate so much because I need somewhere I can do my makeup, or I can come and tell you, hi, good morning, how are you doing? Yeah, so that comes in handy. So it also has a light, as you can see, which is super bright, which I like a lot of light. So yeah, so that's the wash hand area. That's how it looks like. And on this side, it's plain. It only has the sockets and the switches, I guess. Yeah, so then this is how the door looks like. I quite like it. It's nice, it's modern, and it's a nice tint of brown. Yeah, then coming into the bathroom, this is a mixed bathroom, so meaning it has the toilet and the shower combined. And yeah, it's basic but super functional, I guess. So it has the tap, and then the shower tap. It has a towel holder. The shower is already fitted, and a nice light up there. And it has a place I can use to place my shampoos there. The toilet is down here. It has a place for the toilet paper, and another place for another towel rack, which, goodness, I have so many towel racks in this house. And lastly, it has another shower thing. I have been told this is installed by them. They put it in for tenants to organize their bath supplies, and it has a curtain here to protect, I guess, to protect the door from water. And also you can use that as a towel rack, right? Yeah, so out of the bathroom, let me quickly show you again how it looks like. The wash hand area, the sink and all, the light, and then the shower. Yeah, it's good, it's functional. I don't like the tiles because they have a blue, but they look more like gray, so this works. You have to compromise sometimes. Next, I am going to take you to the bedroom. So right off the bathroom is the bedroom, straight from the living room. As you can see, you come all the way, turn left to the bathroom, and keep moving to the bedroom. Same way, the bedroom has a nice door, just like the bathroom. I like it. It's modern and it's nice and it's heavy, solid, looks good. So from afar, that's how the bedroom door looks like. So going inside, we keep going. This is the biggest bedroom I have ever seen in my whole entire adult life. It is so big. I think we can fit 2 beds in here easily. We can fit 2 beds in here. In fact, I am thinking we should come with 2 beds because I'm gonna be living with my sister, but we will see as time moves on. So the bedroom is very big. So that's how it looks like. A very big wall over there. I don't even know what to do with. Another very big wall over here, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And like the living room, it has a very huge window fitted with a double curtain rod. Perfect. So I want to show you the last wall of the bedroom, which is a big wardrobe. It is so big, so big. Don't I love this? I love this because I have a lot of things that need organization, bedding, clothing, a lot of items. So I'm intending to use this for storage, like to store like cleaning supplies, my skincare products, cleaning supplies. Yeah, I'll figure out once I move in, but that's how it looks like. The small one over there has a door which works perfectly because I can like store things and lock them inside there. So let me open the wardrobes and show you how they look like. So this is how the wardrobes look like open. They have a top shelf there that you can use to store like duvets, suitcases. It's large, like very huge. I know it will come in handy to organize a lot of things that I have. Then it has a double wardrobe with a rail, so we can hang our clothes there. Maybe my sister can use this one, or I can use this one. Whoever picks whatever, we will see, or we can just organize everything inside there. Then at the bottom there are shelves. Maybe we can put some baskets in there and more baskets here, just to keep the wardrobe organized. Then there is a small mirror here we can use to get dressed and, you know, just look cute. So that comes in handy, and girls never have enough mirrors. So this is the bedroom light. I like it. Very beautiful, very, very beautiful. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. It has a bulb inside, so I don't even need to worry about coming with light to this house. So yeah, so in the bedroom comes with sockets on each wall. There's that there, and there's another one on this side. So if I decide to put the bed on this side, then I can use that. If I decide to put it on this side, I can use those for ironing and all that. So I'll move back to the living room, and you can see how beautiful this little apartment is. That's the bathroom, functional, works perfectly for us. 2 little girls, so it works for us. That's the bathroom. Come back, and this is our little living room. Big windows, love it, love it, love it, love it. And lastly, our small kitchen, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. So I wanted to show you how the rooftop looks like. So there are 2 sets of hanging lines here, so I can use those to hang my clothes. This is just a floor after mine, and then this is how it looks like. There are some nice flowers, a nice large open area. Can even have a barbecue there if we want to. Flowers everywhere, plants everywhere, not flowers, plants everywhere. Isn't that beautiful? And a grill there if we want to choma nyama. Then on this side the same continues. Then there's a small gazebo here. Is this a gazebo? What would you call it? A chilling area that you can come and chill. So pretty beautiful. Can come here and work from here, edit my articles from here. Such a nice outdoor space, and this is one of the reasons I chose this apartment, because it has a nice place to relax and rest. Then on this side there's a swing there, so I can come in the morning and bask here with my laptop and swing. Isn't this lovely? With my tea there. Oh my god, I cannot wait for the vlogs I'll shoot up here. But yeah, so many plants, so many plants. So you can actually come up here and wash our carpets from up here. Skip, if I want to exercise, I can come and skip. And it's a pretty nice neighborhood. I can go for runs and work out. And talking of working out, let me show you something. The apartment actually comes with an outdoor gym. There's a small gym there where I can lift weights. Me, Wangui, lifting weights where, when? Anyway, yeah, there's a small gym that I can utilize there if I want to. Yeah, and back to the rooftop. So yeah, so it's a really nice place, and I like it for that. Nice for resting and chilling. Yeah, so let's go back to the house. And that is all. That is my empty house tour. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope that you like the house as much as I like it. Let me know your favorite parts of the house. Let me know what you would put where, and yeah, let's talk, let's chat down in the comment section. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching this empty house tour. If you haven't watched my life update video, please do, and next week I'm gonna show you the moving vlog, so that starts now. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.